Most teams don't need more training. They need better ways to actually learn how to work together in practice. That's exactly what Miki Island is built for. Hi, my name is Us, CEO and founder of Miki Island. I spent the last 10 years working on leadership and team effectiveness across different organizations. And Miki Island really comes from one question. How do we move from talking about team performance to actually changing behaviors and helping teams perform better in practice? Today, I want to quickly show you how this works, the thinking behind it, the platform, and how teams actually use it. At the core, it's very simple. We help teams perform better together. Miki Island is transforming the way leaders and teams learn, develop, collaborate, and thrive. By unlocking the potential of collective intelligence in high-performing teams, we empower teams, leaders, and organizations to achieve extraordinary level of performance and impact. And today, it is used globally, across hundreds of companies, thousands of teams, across industries and continents, helping teams perform better. And there's a direct correlation between high-performing team and business impact. It's not just about fun, because when teams actually work well together, performance changes completely. Better decision, faster execution, more engagement, everything improves in the business. So what we've built is not just a tool and a platform, it's a full ecosystem. We work with organizations to build high-performing workplaces and teams, from short-term intervention to full leadership program and long-term team transformation journeys. The solution is highly versatile. C-suite and management team, engineering squad in MNC or SME, virtually or face-to-face, 5 to 500 participants. It's a complete holistic team development solution. And this is delivered through our global network of partners, coaches, facilitators, consultants who use Miki Island with their own clients to grow the business, or with ours, having access to paid facilitation and coaching opportunities. So, how does it work? There are 4 pillars of success for the Miki Island solution. First, it's grounded in research. Second, we have a clear methodology to change behavior, a digital platform with data and AI, and real programs to deliver. So it's not just fun and games. Miki Island has been built on real research, and we partnered with GDQ Associates, a leading research institute out of Sweden that has 30 years of research and development on building high-performing teams. We also have our own proprietary methodology called the 3DM methodology. It is really to ensure we can change behavior for performance improvement. It starts by diagnosing what's happening in the team, then developing the behaviors using immersive game-based learning. Finally, deepening and embedding behaviors over time, and of course, measuring progress. That's how we change behaviors and ensure the team transformation and team performance happens in practice. And then everything sits on our platform: simulation, assessments, AI, microlearning. For example, we can measure things like team effectiveness with the pulse assessment, team alignment with sync, team membership, and team leadership with scan and scope. So before even starting working with your team, you know what's happening within them. Then comes the serious game. It's highly practical, fun, immersive. We provide a safe space for teams to make decisions, deal with pressure, fail safely, and of course, collaborate in practice. That's where the real insights come out. And the key part is not just the game, it's what's happened after. We reflect, we connect, we help teams to apply the learnings immediately. And this approach just works better. That's the power of game-based learning. Increased engagement, better retention, faster learning. Engaging in social learnings for the teams that you work with. And everything is backed by data and AI. You have clear insight, AI report, behavioral analytics, and concrete actions to move forward. To top it off, we keep the learning going even after the intervention with short, practical micro-learning people can access on the platform, so that it's not just a one-off experience. And all of this comes together in our signature programs, from quick team boosters to get the conversation going, 2 to 4 hour team offsite or full team coaching journeys, everything you need depending on your client's need. So the question becomes, how can you start working with Miki Island? Well, you can take the next step. If you're a coach, facilitator, or consultant working with teams, you can get certified, have access to the platform, start delivering this with your own clients. That's the next step to become a Miki Island partner.